Kahit anong gawin, limutin ka. Good morning. Important job. Hi, for 2 people here. Thank you so much. Good morning, little angel Filipina. Morning, Rodrigo. How about you? Did you sleep well? Not, not sleep well. Because the roof are have a leak raining last night. Hi there, Vinet Kong. Hi, Vinet Kong. The nature. Hi, the nature. Good shape. Good shape. You are very sweet girls. Cute. Funny Rodrigo. Thank you for the 5 people. Tip like okay see. Thank you. Thank you, Rodrigo. Like and subscribe. Tyler Robbins. Hi, Tyler Robbins. Coffee, bread, salt. Thank you for the thumbs up. Vinet Kong, hello there. Hi, Vinet Kong. Is Carrie pa 82. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Buanuete. Get what it means. Magno Gomez. What it means. Vinet Korg. Vinet Korg. Thank you, Vinet Korg. I subscribe and I press the like button. Oh, thank you so much, Tyler Robbins. Where are you from? Where are you from, guys? Subscribe. Disney Lima, Peru. Oh, welcome, Peru, Lima, Peru. Tiago Waman Solano. Hi, welcome here. From Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Saludos desde Lima, Peru. Saludos. Thank you, Tiago. Magno English, my friend. Tyler Robbins, I'm from Vancouver, Canada. Welcome here, Sir Tyler. Tiago Saludos, yes, Canada. Tiago Saludos, Disney, Brazil. Disney, Brazil.
What about me? What about me?
Tupan193. Hey beautiful. Hi Tupan. I am from Brazil and Filipinas. Thank you, Rodrigo. Linger. Hi Linger. Hello Linger. Tanging larawan mo nais ko. Ay, sus. Hello, mom. Hi, hello, mom. Badalsa. Hi, Badalsa. Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Please show my princess skin perfect. Skin perfect. No, I'm not skin clear. Just on the cam, but not on personal. Mike and Venus, hello, like and subscribe. Hi, Mike and Venus. Kidar, see whom up, hola. Victor Alves, hula. To click on screen like, okay, easy, very easy. Thank you so much, Rodrigo. Tanging larawan mo ang nais ko. At kahit skin color, wonderful. Wonderful brown color. Morena. Like them, ma'am. Thank you, Badalsa. Thank you so much. Thank you for the likes, guys. Thank you for watching. Do you like singing? I love music. But music don't cooperate. I'm getting sick, I think.
Magic ang ikay-itachi.
Tanging Morena beautiful.
Riningan.
Morena here.
Kasi, wala na yung riningan.
What is your favorite type of music to listen? Classic, love song? No, yes, love song. Classic, like that. It's funny, I'm American and like Morena. But Venus is Filipina and likes white skin. Venus? Okay. Yeah, we like white skin. You know what? Mini Filipina here, they obsessed beating a white skin. That's why they take a glota for whiter skin. Me, if I afford to buy it, I can do it. I will do it. I like white skin, but it depends on the person. What is your favorite celebrity singer? My favorite celebrity singer, Celine Dion. Every night and night, the Titanic. Hi, Beno Balan. Badal sa apkisam. What it means? Apkisamikoy. Hi, Kia Mom. Morena is beautiful in my eyes. Thank you, Mike. Your Venus is a Filipina, right? Chicken. The chicken. Bonsoir. Buns, where is Mojello? Let's go eat chicken. No chicken. It's Mojello. Just chicken, chicken in the morning. Wake up call. It's morning already. How are you? I'm fine, Balan. It's Mojello. Tanging larawan mo, chicken adobo. Yeah, I love chicken adobo. You are beautiful. Thank you, Rodrigo. I feel beautiful. Kumusta? Kamusta? It's fine. How are you? Venus Balan. Don't forget, like, we are going to make sopas today. One of my favorite dishes. Ah, wow, that's great. Macaroni sopas. Then you probably like to listen to my heart will go on by Celine Dion. How old are you, Tyler Robbins? Mabuti. Mabuti. Dikitan sana kita kaso baka magselos yung may gusto sa'yo dito. Bakit aasawahin na ba? Didikitan lang naman Johnny Alabata. Hi, Johnny. More likes, my friend. Thank you, Rodrigo. She deserves likes. Okay, thank you, G Paizy Music TV. Hi, G Paizy Music TV. Oh, you're too young. Tyler, I'm your auntie. I'm 24 years. I'm 24. No, I'm 40 years old. 40. I'm 40 years old. I will be back. Okay, don't cry, please. Bye-bye, Rodrigo. Thank you for joining here. Thank you. God bless you. Take care. Kukunin ka raw niya. Kukunin ka raw niya, sabi kahapon. Kung kaya niya. Hindi kunin niya. Baka puro pinto-pinto, wala pinta. Oo, tayo lang ng oo. Thank you, my friend, for your affection with me. Thank you so much, Rodrigo. Like and subscribe, my friends. Thank you, Rodrigo. Thank you, my friend. Johnny Alabata. Guys, mahal kita, guys. Single ako. Single ka, guys. Mahal kita, guys. I love you, guys. Good morning, guys. Okay ka lang, guys. Naalala mo? Naalala mo? You're still young and still have lots live lives still. Thanks. How I wish. Magdidilig ako ng... Ay naku, Edwin, nagsimula ka na naman at ang aga-aga. Magdilig ka na ng halaman. Huwag mo diligan yung hindi mo halaman, ha, Edwin? Know your boundaries. Karma Yadak, a prize of $2,000 will be awarded to you by the Karma Yadak Business Group. Oh, wow, why? Thank you. Why you a prize? Why have me a prize? To you by the why? Sa dami ng group, yan pa. A prize of $2,000 will be awarded to you by the Kamayadak Business Group. Why I have a prize? always to always great to see you, girl, cute. Thank you, Rodrigo. Bonjour. Zofes, bonjour. How many children? One. I have one son. Johnny Oliveira, like for you. Okay, Brazil. Do you speak French? I'm not speak French, but a little. I understand a little, a basic French, like merci, beaucoup. Welcome to Brazil, always okay. Thank you, Rodrigo. Welcome to the Philippines. Basta love kita, guys. Hindi kita iiwan. Hindi kita iiwan, guys. I love you, idol. Forever kita mamahalin, guys. Diyan, bata. How many children? One. One. I said one. Malayo. Huwag mo intindihin yung Edwin. Wala. Wala pa. Huwag mong intindihin yan. Huwag mong intindihin mga ganyang bagay. Ha? What if someone crossed your boundaries? What would you do? I don't know. Sure, karma is bullshit. Why? Pinatulan eh. Hi, Hamed Iran. Mike and Venus sounds like a scam. Yes, I know. Good morning, Cheryl. Hi, Sister Hexon. How are you? I'm fine, office. I speak English but little. Me too. Tiga. Edwin. Nako, Edwin. Where are you from? I'm from France. I'm from Philippines, the face. I live here in the Philippines. Nice to meet you, the face. Oh, you're very beautiful. Oh, thank you, Venus Esperan. In Barca. Huh? Nice to meet you. Nice to meeting you. Nice to meeting you too. Nice to meet you too. Are you single? No, I'm not. Sir, Steve. I speak English and a little French. Walter Tyler. Good job. You're great. Edwin, ano? Maligaw man sa kawalan. You're very cute. Thank you, Coyote Boys. What are you doing today? Today, so many things to do. Working, clean room, wash clothes, something like that. Carlo, calling, Sean, morning, Carlo. No, I'm not speak Arabic in Barca. Where your husband? I don't have husband. Oh, sorry. But soon I will have a husband. Not now, but summer. Soon. Can you? Hi, Carlo. Kalingasyon. Can you? What can you do? What? Akin ka lang, guys. Hindi masira ang buhay mo guys. Single, mahal kita.
Ibawal din yung ito
Grabe ka
yun, bawal
naman.
mag-isla pa. Bawal din ang mag-isla.
Ay, nako.
Sinasabay lang sa
I can manage myself, Johnny. Carla Calingation. Oh, Malika. Interesting. Tommy Kabwa. Hi, Tommy. How to coming children? How to coming? Sorry. Why is he sorry? Don't forget to like, guys. Thank you, Embarka. Hi, Danielle Potter. Welcome back, Danielle. Oh my God. Hmm? A good day. Nice to see you again. How are you? I'm fine, Danielle. How about you? Thank you for the thumbs up, guys. Lakay Pradel channel. Hi. GDH. You're beautiful, beautiful lady girl. Another girl. Not yet the one. You might get 50 likes today and after the bikini tomorrow. I love you. Ah, Venus is Belan. Where are you from, Venus is Belan? All is well. Tell you, after taking to you the last time, I went to sleep and didn't wake up for at least 12 hours. I guess I needed to sleep. Oh, okay. Okay, you need to sleep. You need to sleep. You need to rest. Health is well. Daniel. Basta love kita, guys. Single ako, guys. Mahal, mahal forever. Mamahalin kita, guys. I love you, idol. Grabe na pag-ano yan. Tommy Cobwa, you seem like a nice person. How is your day going? I'm going, too many things to do, too many things to do today that I don't know how to start. Pero, no. Can I teach you a word in Arabic? Okay, thank you. Who is calling you? Calling me? Here? Gab? Pangako ko yan sa, maybe in another room, having a call phone. Pangako ko yan sa'yo, guys. Grabe na pangako. Pangako mo na lang yan sa iba, wag na ako. Ayoko ng mga ganyan. Totoo lang. Ayoko ng maraming, gusto ko isa lang. Isa lang yung problemahin ko. Focus lang tayo sa isa. Kapag nagka-problema sa isa, ay, wala na. Ganon. Ayaw ko naman. Hindi ako katulad niya. Hindi ako katulad nila. Laging may reserva. Nag-away sa isa, dun sa isa. Ouch. No. It's not for me. How many people love you here? I don't know. Nepal. Are you from Nepal, Venus Balan? Welcome. Shout out to all Nepalese. Your beautiful smile, beautiful lady girl. Oh, thank you po. On phone. Oh, no, another room. No phone call my phone. Oh, no calling my phone. Oh my God. Maybe in another room. Okay. I see hala is mean hi in Arabic. Okay. Hala. Hala guys. Here. Hello. Ramahead. Hi Rama Mahead. Raja Mahead. Are not are not you supposed to be working volunteering? Volunteering. Not enough paid. Something like that. Not enough paid. As I'm getting fed, I want to fix this roof when I get paid. You can always start small. A good warm up before your harder errands. Hola, guys. If she hits 50 likes, she will wear a 60 bikini tomorrow. The challenge is always accepted. Tanong ko lang sa'yo guys, may asawa ka na guys? Wala pa guys? Wala pa. Tanong mo, sagot mo. Yeah, like that. I like. Okay, Johnny English. Ram Tapa. Hi Ram Tapa. Raja Mayeda. Hi, looking you very nice. You promise Pin. I love you too. Tap the like button, guys. Thank you, my team. Damika. Hi, Damika. Where are you from? I'm from Philippines. Juju the Edge, you beautiful, sexy lady girl. I know, charot. Ito ba ang aming pangalawang video date? Ha? Video date?
Ano? Tagaga na ako.
Video date?
Na ako sa pula. Tagadag.
Hi, good morning. Good morning, Damika. EBD Ala. Anong po? What? I love you. You're beautiful. Thank you, Tyler. Thank you, Tyler. No, here I'm not beautiful. Here in my place. I'm just beautiful on camera, but in person I'm not. Oh my God. Maybe I will catch up with you later when there's not so many people here. Okay. Where are you? Where are you, Danielle? Are you out working now? You're a single mom. Yeah, but soon I will get married. Guys, single ka gatag, guys. Hindi na. Oh, tanong mo, sagot mo, Johnny. You're beautiful, beautiful lady girl. John, speak English, please. USA, yes. You're from New York. Danielle, New York, USA. Dancing with songs. Versace on the floor. Ooh, take it up for me, girl. Versace on the floor. Guys, she's getting married in October. Yes, I'm getting married. I'm retired. I sold my business. How you sold your business? What is your business, Danielle?
Ano?
Maligaw man sa kawalan. Oh, she's in a happy place right now. She's singing beautifully. I'm just happy.
Ka lang dun.
Thank you for the thumbs up, everyone. Oh my goodness.
Naradag.
Danielle, she always sings. Yeah, I always sing. I love music. I kiss you. Okay. Why? I already see you have so much compassion and empathy for people. Ah, thank you, Danielle. Everyone from Arizona, USA. Hi, Brett Flores from Arizona, USA. But it is how she sing that makes the difference. Very bad. But Danielle, you will never be able to figure her out through her eyes. Pangarap ko ang ibigin ka at sa habang panahon tayo'y Thank you for watching.
Sorry yan, yata naman ako kinsayin mo.
Ikaw na lang ang siyang kulang sa buhay kong ito. I have only met her 2 times. That is not enough time for what to say. Figure out. I see it's an adventure into resolve. Ah, wow. It's great. Yes, me too. We didn't know the person on, in few minutes, in a few hours, in few days. If you need to know the person. Good song. Hi, Doggy Boy. Thank you, Round Tapa. There are too many secrets and doors that still need to be opened. How I kiss you, Benz. Why are you asking for kiss? It's not good for asking here. Hi, hello.
Uy, inay. Arday. Wait, bantayan man ako. Ay!
Oh, thank you for thumbs up.
Busy yun. Ito kamay mo.
Tanging darawan mo nais ko.
Tiko.
Oh yes, goodbye. Okay, goodbye. Bye-bye. Venus Espelan. Everyone give Ben a kiss. Yeah. You're beautiful, beautiful lady girl. Oh, thank you.
Pati
You do
ako
this.
mahali.
Searching for the one that completes.
Paano yung mahali yun?
You is not a competition.
Ito pa paano yung mahali
It is a magnet that brings you together. I am not here for competition. I am only here to communicate with people. Ah, yes, I understand it, Danielle. Thank you, Danielle, for joining me here. And nice to meet you. God bless you always. You need to be a compete. Just be yourself. Do what you do, and yes, do what you want to do. You not give kiss, okay? I kiss for everyone here. Thank you, guys. How are you today? I'm fine, Brett Flores. Darling, no, don't someone ask for kisses. Well, I'm giving them out if they want them. Yeah. Darling, hello, score.
Adiyo. Sapa ka. Next one.
Oh, by the way, I have a cold in strep throat. He received it then. I received it for free, the kiss. Tanging larawan mo. Ay, ako. Love you. Thank you, Banaus Balan.
Go. Day.
There are a bunch of silly people here. They are also a bunch of fishermen as well. I love their stories. Oh yeah. I know it. 5 days you be better.
No.
Yeah. 5 days.
Tinig ka lang.
I agree with you, Danielle, communicating with people. Ah, yes. Brett Flores. Thank you, Brett Flores.
No. Boom! Sa kawabaano.
Muhammad Bonoana. Hi, Muhammad. Muhammad. I know you are smart enough. I love the way people play around. However, sometimes people just need to be forward. Yes.
Yo, yo, yo.
Johnny. Thank you, Danielle. Tanging larawan mo, nais ko. Nasa isip ko. At kahit ano, binutin ka. Hi, guys, good morning guys. Matulog na ako guys. Sige, matulog ka na, Johnny. Sleep well. I give you the thumbs up and the like. I will be back shortly. I hope to see you soon. Thank you, Danielle.
Nice one!
Hope to see you soon. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you for joining here. Take care. Good night there.
Ay, di rin man yan. Di aram ko na. Maghali ka na din di aram ko.
Thank you for the thumbs up.
Sanyo mo na kita sanyo.
You were good. Thank you. Bye-bye. Thank you so much, Danielle. At
kami hanap ko pa.
limutin ka. I just subscribe to your channel. Up like. Thank you, Brett Flores. Thank you, Brett.
Aram ko na.
Thank you so much. Kahit anong limutin ka. Nasa isip ko.
Bago ka mga umatay ka. Magpag-iptas ka na lang doon. Siguro ka lang na rin. Sumugpa ko yan makakata ka. Kaya ayaan makatas. Adyo kayo. Ano ba tayo? Ha? Dinali. Magdip ka naman.
I just thank you, Brad.
Alo!
Gigi.
Alo!
I love communication with people. It brings a smile to their face to make them happy. Ah, thank you, Brad Flores. Kahit anong gawin. Oh, goodness. I'm sorry, don't you leave me. I want what Sheryl would talk about. Sheryl would talk about what? You can talk about anything.
Alo! Maganda na easy
Oh,
lang
what are
yan.
you doing there, Brett? Oh my goodness. Venus Bilan? Kahit
Alo!
Thank you for watching. My love. Sam McDonald. Hi Sam, where you from? Thank you for joining here. Kahit anong gawin natin ka.
Sabihin pag makita na dito. Hindi na worth na sabihan.
I'm confident and anything to talk about. Okay. Say anything. Sorry, I don't understand your answer. What are you doing today? Okay, it's fine. The face. You can go. Thank you for joining the face here. Thank you so much. What should I say? Take care always. God bless. Nice to meet you. I have, I'm going to be working so many things to do today, tomorrow, and another day. I am in love with you. Oh, why? I'm so in love with you.
Don't get no.
It is of the kisses, your lips on my lips.
Oh, tinanong mo.
Sit in my heart. What time is it in your state? Time here now? 8:10 in the morning. 8:10 in the morning here. Time 8 o'clock. Hi there, my love. Where are you from, San McDonald?
Yan. Yan, nagkakulayido na ako.
8 a.m. there, yes. You have a beautiful voice. Thank you. At kahit anong gawin, limutin ka. Di man sa isip ko. Here is what? At, oh my god, 2:11 in the morning. 2 a.m. in the morning. Wait. Okay. Brett Flores, it's 5:11 p.m. here in the afternoon. Okay. Beautiful morning, everybody. Hi, sis Salvi. Thank you for the thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Kahit anong... Okay, I go to sleeping. I am dead. Go sleep. You need to rest. Health is wealth. Hi, Salvi from team. You need to rest, Duffies. Have a good day for you. Thank you. Thank you, Duffies. Have a good day. Kahit anong gawin, limutin ka. See you later. See you later. Bye-bye. Sleep well. Sweet dreams. Good night there. Good night there in France. See you later. Bye-bye. Hi, ate. Sunny from Sunny. Hi, Sunny. Sunny here. Hindi na sa isip ko. Ate, wala ba tayo jacket dyan? Hindi naman malamig. Tim, Sunny need a jacket. Meron jacket, of course naman. Paalam muna tayo sa ating store manager. Para hindi tayo para walang punishment. Jacket naman dyan. Wait lang, magpapaalam muna tayo sa Paalam muna tayo. Wait lang. Pa-jacket naman daw. No. He said no. Ayaw niya. Damot. Sa akin walang problema eh. Mapagbigay ako. Kasi ayaw niya eh. Dameka, hi Dameka. Ikaw may-ari ng channel, nagpapaalam ka pa. Siya yung manager ko eh. Binabayaran niya ako. Kaya kailangan kong sumunod. Aray ko. She don't need any more moderators. Oh my goodness. No fight. No fight. Argentina, USA. Plus tie. Ano yan? Dami talagang nagkalat sa YouTube na ba't mo sinasabi yan? Sunny speak English. Sunny said too many gusto ko pa naman yung mo sa pangalan mo na S. Nakakababa naman ng ano yung sinasabi mo. That's not for me. What did he say? I think he said, Sunny said, my channel is my own, so I decide. I decide. I have right to decide. That's what he said.
Ano ito? Ayaw naman eh. Ayaw ko naman eh dito. Ha?
Tanging larawan mo ang nais ko. Ano sa isip ko. At kahit anong gawin, then he can go to his channel. I think he wants to be a friend, but I know he misunderstand.
Ano? Naku.
He will
Ang bata ay.
he will understand
Nagsapak sa
soon, but not now. Hello team. Hi team from Salvi, Mrs. Kahit anong he don't understand me now. But I think it's much better to another channel. But he thinks I'm like others, that someone can manipulate me. I don't need to be moderator here if he has his own channel. He will understand. He don't know me. He just know my name, but not know my story. Don't know my story. It's fine. It's fine. I understand his opinion, but I'm not. It's not hurting. It's not hurt because I know myself. I don't need to explain anybody my side because I know myself. I'm not like that. What he said, I'm not like that. Maybe I'm just so nice, I'm just loyal, I'm just faithful, that's why. That's why he overthink. Okay lang. Katulong naman talaga ako. Empleyado talaga ako. Okay lang. Hindi masakit. Kasi nagtatrabaho talaga ako para kumita ng pera. Hindi ako nanggago para lang kumita. Okay lang. Never akong nanlamang para kumita ng pera at never akong nanggamit para kumita ng pera sa amin. Okay lang. Hindi ako sa wala naman yan. Tingnan mo yung bahay ko, pangkatulong talaga. Yan yung bahay. Katulong, hampas lupa. Sorry ha kung mayaman ka na napadpad ka dito sa channel ko. Sorry ha. Kaya pala sorry kung napadpad kayo sa channel ko, Sunny. Nakakahiya naman sa'yo. Hampas lupa yung napuntahan mo. Sorry, Sunny, ha. Tapos yung words mo, back to you. Hindi ako mayaman. Hindi ka mayaman sa lagay na yan. Pero yung kung makapagsalita ka, akala mo kung sino ka. Hindi talaga ako mayaman. Nandito ako, nagla-live ako para ma-monetize ang channel ko. Hindi ako nanguhut-hut. Kung alam yan ng taong nakakasalamuha ko. Hindi mo ako kilala. Saka, ikaw, saan ka nababagay? Hindi ka rin bagay dito sa... Sani hindi ka rin bagay dito sa channel ko. Kasi ako, mahirap lang ako. Alam mo ba yung mga content ko?
Wait,
Hindi mo alam yung yung sinasabi mo. Masyado kang perfect, Sunny. Hindi ka lang nabigyan ng jacket, ganyan ka na. Oh my goodness. Ganyan pala ang taong na pag hindi na pagbibigyan, no? Ni wala akong utang na loob sa'yo. Wala akong dapat ipaliwanag sa'yo na hindi kita nabigyan ng jacket at sasabihin mo sa akin, mukha akong katulong. Katulong naman talaga ako eh. Kaya nga nagsisikap ako para kahit papaano umangat ako. Kasi yan nga mga katulad mo na nagdi-degree sa mga katulad ko. Jeez, gano'n, I'm explaining. Dapat hindi ka dito pumunta sa sana sa mga katulad mo na yayamanin na mukhang gold. Yan, mga ganyan. Dapat hindi ka pumupunta sa ganitong channel, no? Ganitong, kasi mahirap lang talaga ako. Ito naman bahay ko, yan. Kalat. Walang sariling, wala akong sariling, kusina eh. Nakikigamit ako dun sa magulang ko sa kabilang kwarto. Kung makikita mo, Sunny. Saka hindi kita ginamit. Wala kang ambag sa buhay ko. Yung mga taong tumutulong sa akin, wala akong narinig. Sa'yo pa kaya na walang nasulpot lang dito sa sandami-dami mong sinasabi. My girl want you on top of me. Oo, talaga, Sunny. Yung maraming tumutulong sa akin na wala akong narinig ni sumbat. Totoo lang. Tapos ikaw, ano ka lang sa akin, ba yan? Sumusulpot ka lang sa akin dito sa sa channel ko. Tapos kung ano ka sa akin, mukha akong katulong, totoo, hindi ko yung tinatanggihan. Kung ano yung pinagkatulong talaga ako, nagpaalipin ako dito sa ako dito sa amin, volunteer. Minsan sarili ko ng bulsa. Wala nga ako hampas lupa na nga ako, pero kukuha pa ako ng sarili kong bulsa para lang dito sa komunidad namin. Hindi mo ako kilala mo lang ako dito sa pangalan, pero hindi mo ako kilala. Wala kang ambag sa buhay ko. May piso. No, I'm explaining. Yung mga taong ang tumulong sa akin, wala akong narinig ni sumba. Yun talaga yung mga taong walang yung wala na nga inutulong. Kung makapagsalita pa, akala mo kung sino. Wala nga lang ambag. Hindi lang napagbigyan. My God, may magkiusap ka nga dapat sa akin eh. Kasi may nangangailangan ka. Tapos yung akala mo kung sino ka. Tapos mukha akong so what? Kung mukha akong katulong, at least wala akong inuthot sa'yo. Mukhang katulong. So what? So dapat may mga ganyan sa'yo, Sunny, yung mga gold, mga artista, yung mga yayamanin yung pagmumukha. Kahit hindi pa kita na makikita, medyo ka na eh. Feeling mo yung nasa high level ka. Huwag kang pupunta sa mga channel na mga katulad ko, na mga hampas lupa. Kasi kung manglalait ka lang din naman, na hindi ka napagbigyan, manglalait ka, wag kang pupunta. Kasi marami talaga kaming mga hampas lupa dito sa Nandito kami para ma-monetize yung channel namin. Magbabaka sakali kami na nag-YouTube kami para kumita kahit na maliit, magsisimula sa maliit. Baka sakali lang. Tapos mga ganyan mo, kapwa ko pa Pilipino, magda-down sa akin ha. Sa totoo lang talaga, lahat dito, nang babastos dito, mga Pilipino lang din. Nakaka-disappoint lang. Mga Pilipino lang din naman talaga ang magda-down sa'yo. Kapwa mo lang din, kapatid mo, kamag-anak mo, kaibigan mo. Wala ka mapagkatiwalaan talaga. Kapwa mo Pilipino, da-down mo. Tapos sasabihin mo ng ganyan. My God, Sunny. Hindi kita kailangan. Wala kang lugar dito sa mga katulad namin na sinasabi mo ang mampas lupa, mga Pilipina. Yan, marami daw katulong nagkalat dito sa YouTube na katulong. Sino ka ba? Imbis na tulungan mo yung kapwa mo para umangat, ikaw pa yung nagda-down. Alam mo yun, Sunny? Kaya nga eh, nagja-judge siya. Hindi niya nga ako kilala. Hindi lang napagbigyan. Hindi niya alam kung anong sinasabi ko. Kung totoo ba talaga yung sinasabi ko o hindi. Kaya nag-overthink siya. Wala akong pakialam sa'yo, Sunny. Hindi, wala kang ambag sa buhay ko, sa totoo lang. Sumulpot ka lang dito, tapos mabag-judge ka ng kung ano-ano sasabihin mo sa akin. Akala mo naman, napaka-perfecto mo. Sino ka ba? Wala kang ano sa akin, hindi mo nga alam kung anong pinagdaanan ko sa buhay. No, sure, relax. He's gone for 20%. I want to talk. I want to know him that what you said, he's not, he don't know me. God. I'm just telling you're my manager. He didn't know if I'm joking or I'm serious. Sinabi ko lang yun, just to test the person, para mapagkatiwalaan. Tingnan mo, lumabas agad yung totoo mong kulay. Kaya hindi lahat na pagbibigyan kasi yung mga ganyan na kaya simpre kailangan mo pumasok sa buhay, papasukin yun sa buhay mo. May mapagkakatiwalaan. Tingnan mo, lumabas agad yung totoo mong kulay, Sunny. Kaya nga dumadaan eh. Siguro masyado kang spoiled brat na lahat ng gusto mo nakukuha mo. Well, I will kick him out when he comes back. Yes. Hindi lahat ng gusto mo sana nakukuha mo at hindi lahat na pagbibigyan. Sorry sa mga sa mga taong nagbibigay agad-agad sa iyo. Sorry hindi ako kagaya nila. Totoo, buhay ko 'to. At hindi mo alam kung sino ako. Madali mo Madali mo agad maano yung tao eh. Madali ka rin makilala. True colors. Hi Mark from Australia. Thank you. Akala naman niya ma-hurt ako sa sinabi niya mukha akong katulad. Yun talaga naman nakatulong ako eh. Kung alam mo lang pinagdaanan ko, sobra pa sa katulong. Yung hirap. Kaya ikaw ng mga katulad mo, ng mga yayamanin, na mga nakatira kayata sa mga Forbes, nabibilang kayata sa mga yayamanin na may-ari dyan sa doon, mayaman dito sa Pilipinas. Huwag mo kaming mga maliliit, huwag mo kaming dinadang, tulungan mo. O huwag mo na akong ibilang, yung ibang na lang, Pilipino, mga ibang Pilipino na lang, tulungan mo. Dinidiscreet mo, binababa mo yung nila. Matalino ka siguro. Kung matalino ka lang. Baka may pira ka lang, hindi ka Kasi kung matalino ka, hindi mo yan sasabihin. Walang matalinong ganyan. Walang matalinong ganyan. Sunny Padami kayo ng padami. Kapwa mo Pilipino, gaganyanin mo, imbis na iangat mo. Sheryl, talk to people in your room. Stop with Sunny. I'm explaining Sunny. Sing English. Agam. Hi, Agam. My love. Sam McDonald. Hi, Sam McDonald. Where are you from, Sam? Bro. Hi, bro. Say English. Hi. English. Hello. Hi, brother. Yes. Speak English, bro. It's a bro. Bro, huh? Speak. Bro. Bro. Ka William etiquette. Thank you, Ka William. Tanging larawan mo. Francisco. Thumbs up 32. Oh, thank you so much, Ka William E. YouTube ban live. This is unfair. Huh? Yes, this is so unfair. Isa pa to eh. Tanging larawan mo, limutin ka. Kahit sukliples. Okay, balikan po kita mamaya pagkatapos po ng live, Ka William E. Salamat po. Sorry, hindi pwede dito yung mga toxic, no? Enja. Okay. May pa English pa to pa, bro. Ano bang gusto niya? May pa English pa. Nalalaman.
Kami yung magkambal. Background ah.
Yung spelling mo pa sana ng katulong. Wrong spelling pa. Paano kita maintindihan yan?
Nice one.
Ikaw yung isa nagkakalat dito ng mga toxic dito eh.
Ano pa po niya makuha daw?
Sino yung gago? Katulong, Sani, katulong. Hindi katulog, ha? Ayan na, ako na nag-correct sa'yo. Oh, sorry naman kung mga mala manager yung urahan mo. Mukha kang yayamanin. Huwag kang pupunta sa mga mahihirap na channel. Dapat kung pupunta sa mga artistahin para yung yung kapuri-puri naman. Tapos pupunta ka dito sa mga pipicturing channels, malalait ka lang. Yung mga ganyang katulad mong ginto, huwag pupunta dito. Nakakahiya sa inyo. Nakakahiya naman sa inyo. How is your morning there? I don't know. I will coming to Manila on January 26. Okay, welcome in the Philippines, Sir Mohan Kumar. My day is not bad trip today. Bad trip day. Someone say I'm look like a maid because I'm not give him a jacket for a mod. That's why he mad at me, and that's not good for me to, and I'm not allowed to that people to do that. Daryl, okay. Sheryl, okay. Okay, bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining here. Lesson for today. Lesson for today. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mark, for joining. God bless you. Bye-bye.